Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. What if your next SEO breakthrough didn't come from working harder, but from using an AI that actually thinks ahead of you? Google just released Gemini 3.0 thinking, and this isn't a normal update. This model understands text, images, video, and intent at a much deeper level. It doesn't just respond to prompts, it reasons through them. And today I'm going to show you how to use it for SEO step by step, including the exact prompts that can save you hours every single day. So stick around because this completely changes how SEO is done. Think about the traditional SEO process for a second. You spend hours researching keywords, more time writing content, even more time optimizing headings, images, meta tags, and internal links. And after all that, you still hope it ranks. Now imagine one AI doing all of that in minutes and doing it better than most experienced SEO professionals. That's what Gemini 3.0 thinking brings to the table. This isn't like older AI models. Gemini 3.0 actually reasons through problems. So it connects ideas, it understands context, and that's exactly why it's so powerful for SEO. Here's what makes it different. So, first, it has a massive context window. You can give it your entire article draft, competitor URLs, images, and even videos all at once. Second, it's fully multimodal. That means it doesn't just read text, it understands visuals, audio, and video content. Third, and most importantly, it's built directly into how Google evaluates search results. So when you optimize for Gemini 3.0, you're optimizing for how Google's AI actually judges your pages. That alone puts you ahead of most people. The biggest mistake people make with SEO is focusing only on keywords. Most AI tools do the same thing. They generate keyword lists, but they don't understand intent. Gemini 3.0 does, so it reads content the way a real user would. It understands what people are actually trying to solve, not just what they type into the search bar. That's the difference between rocking on page 2 and dominating page 1. Now, here's where things get really powerful: prompt chaining. Instead of using one prompt and stopping, you chain multiple prompts together to create a full SEO workflow. Prompt 1 is discovery. So you ask Gemini 3.0 to analyze competitor URLs, identify primary and secondary keywords, map user intent, and find gaps in existing content. You also ask it to generate long tail topic ideas, suggested headings, and visual ideas. So in seconds, you get what normally takes hours of manual research. Gemini 3.0 isn't guessing. It's analyzing what's already ranking, identifying patterns, and spotting opportunities others miss. This means you start every piece of content from a position of strength. Prompt 2 is structure and visuals. Using the discovery output, Gemini builds a complete blog outline with H1, H2, and H3 headings. It suggests where images and videos should be placed, provides alt text ideas, recommends schema markup, and even suggests internal links to existing content. At this point, your entire content framework is done. This is where most people struggle. They have ideas but no structure. Their content goes off track. Gemini 3.0 solves that by building a clear, logical skeleton for you. Next, prompt 3 is content creation. So let's ask Gemini to write a strong introduction into a conversational tone, include the main keyword naturally, and clearly communicate the value of the post. At the same time, it generates a meta title, meta description, social captions, and even an AI image prompt you can reuse anywhere. So instead of writing all of these separately, everything is created together and stays perfectly aligned. That's consistency, and consistency matters for both users and search engines. And the image prompt, you can copy and paste that to any tool and get exactly what you need. No more searching for stock photos that doesn't fit. Prompt 4 is optimization and reach media. Gemini analyzes the draft and suggests internal and external link anchored text, FAQ snippets for reach results, and a short video script to support the blog post. It also provides tag suggestions and a thumbnail prompt. Now, you're no longer creating just a blog post. You're building a full multimedia content asset designed to dominate the search results. FAQs help you win featured snippets, videos expand your reach, Thumbnails improve click-through rates. So Gemini 3.0 thinks about every way people might discover your content. Next, prompt 5 is performance and promotion. Let's ask Gemini to create a monitoring table with key performance indicators, target values, and tools to track results after publishing. On top of that, it generates a simple 30-day email nurture sequence to promote the blog and video. This step alone separates professionals from beginners. Most people publish content and hope for the best. This gives you a clear plan for tracking performance and driving traffic immediately. So you're not guessing, you're measuring, improving, and scaling. This is how SEO becomes a repeatable system instead of a guessing game. And this is just the beginning. Gemini 3.0 will continue to improve, gain more integrations, and play an even bigger role in search. The people who learn how to use it now will have a massive advantage while others take to outdated methods. Speed plus quality is the new SEO game. So if you're creating great content but struggling with traffic, that's not a content problem. It's an SEO strategy problem. With the right system in place, rankings, traffics, and leads follow. If you want the prompts I've used, just comment down below and I'll give it to you guys. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Tarantula SEO Spider. Unlock the deepest SEO secrets and opportunities. The superior AI-powered SEO Spider for better audits, higher SERP rankings, and more website traffic. Audit your site, improve your rankings. Audit competitors, grab their strategies. The best SEO Spider for website owners, professional SEOs, and agencies. Better performance for individual businesses or agencies. Bloggers, improve your blog's ranking. Companies, remove issues that lower your search rank. Marketers, boost your sales with free SEO traffic. Agencies, superior and faster audits for your clients. SEOs, the insights you need to go to number 1. Not just that, complete SEO site audit. The only SEO editor or crawler that's AI enabled. Find all the problems that stop a site from ranking. Find your keywords using AI. Rewrite any page using AI. Get a search engine's perspective of your site. Fix any site for better rankings with issue correction. Detects on-page optimization issues. Connects with Google's APIs to pull even more data. Generate sitemaps and robots.txt with one click. Site visualizer. Advanced control and features. Included on-page SEO analyzer tool. Advanced crawler system, high speed, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Tarantula SEO Spider now. Just go to tarantulaseo.in.